Paw. Watch my glasses from Dimes. Anyways. Oh, we are the road. But you don't want to know who they are with we. What's the big friend up?
I say, I sick of this to the rat.
Oh my God.
Like me say, should I look at us the camera here?
Okay, I'm back. I'm job here for.
Me tell you coming out there far, right? No, sir.
Okay, guys. Watch my shades. And my earring from Case. Cute, not sure. You like it?
You couldn't buy one for.
You want the earring?
Yeah, one of them Gucci earring there. One of them case Gucci there.
I knock off Gucci.
You know?
It's stainless steel.
Life, how me feel now you and Dana life?
Yeah,
We don't go on the bed, no, you want to go to see me in there?
We talk about you all along in
I
our
want to
bed.
talk about my friend on the bed, but you know no ambition.
Because you know, with life,
Hi.
you're part of a life.
Okay.
Long time now.
So, well, a long time we have come. So,
Years.
so if me in the life, me fi in there. A long time we have
Turn in there.
And I right them, I go turn.
And you're not going nowhere.
Right them, I go turn. Right the boy where you are not set till death do part. I saw me in it.
Salt, if I jacket you feel in the pocket.
Yes.
Salt you feel in the pot.
Yes, and if I hug me, I feel in the red.
Yeah. On a full of rhyme. You're there.
Some actually remember all of that. We take a transit, go for Jamaica airport.
Yeah, remember that.
Yeah, but
So you was there when I got to the
and
airport.
Christine and me, when we did just come up in 2015 together, me and Christine.
That's how long you in our life, from 2015.
Before that, but at 2015,
We,
official.
me and Dana life.
Yeah.
2015 official.
The band start
Yeah.
2015.
2015.
For 8 years now.
Yep.
Jaja.
That amount of time they are foreign.
I've been known Gracie a long time.
Yep.
Years.
Before, but you and Hyacinth was friend then.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, can you
Yeah,
come at the
Hyacinth
yard
a
still?
sister,
Yeah.
man.
We used to come
Yeah,
at the yard
Hyacinth
and
and
we
a
talk
Yeah,
and whatever.
Hyacinth was friend at Gracie.
Yeah.
She and Aya was friend.
Yeah, me and Ayo.
And then no, here oh me and
Yeah,
Dana
Ayo.
I
were-
want a friend from Gracie then time. You know?
No, me and Gracie, we used to go on
We
me
used
used
to
to go on
talk,
a Gracie
man,
yard and
and
we used to
all
talk and so.
Nyamal food,
Yeah.
Sunday dinner, same thing
Yeah,
as
we used to go around
She
and
never
yeah.
want a friend from you then time.
and we
Gracie.
go down a Dana yard too, of course.
She don't want a friend from you?
Of course. Can you
Yeah, one away. Me and Nikki.
Nikki the
The wall away. Nikki used to make me laugh sometimes till me feel like me that wet up my pants. Nikki funny body now.
But here oh me and Dana start now. When Dana come up here now, I know me there here and me I work and Michelle them and I call me and say, guess who married and they when you're married, she call me and she tell me say you're married, say your husband come down and married you.
Right.
I say, and she said yes, and she tell me say you come up and you want something for go and do. And she call me and say you can make a link. And I say yeah man, Malky them Ray blah blah. And me call Dana one Sunday like today and today Sunday Dana go out. You remember
Oh
Dana?
yeah, I can never
remember
forget.
too.
I don't remember the day.
A
It's
Sunday.
same day I go
A
up on
Sunday,
the
the
interview
same
at the
day.
same day.
The same day you go on the
Yeah, and when
think
I go
I
up on the
got
interview,
interview
yeah.
You stay
I'm Max
with
scare
Sharon?
me.
Sharon then.
Yeah.
Sharon was your first kiss.
Yeah.
And your
I
long
never-
lasting kiss.
Never forget, like when me go there, first me I do that work there, and it's like we just.
Don't let them not respect me again, you know? Because you see when you move on,
Yeah.
them not have nothing to do with you.
Yeah,
I
true.
could never
That's what
introduce
them
somebody
turn.
to them. You always try to make your kids them
Exactly.
get it because me remember, as you said for true, we don't get no book off our book list.
Remember one time, you know?
So
Remember-
we always try to make Lisa get the whole of her book them and the picking of them. And when she had a little one now and she left Dana,
Yeah.
they do everything in my powers. I'll Saturday class and if there was a Sunday class, me send her to.
Oh, true, man. Why you not getting as a parent?
Every class,
really
one time
want
she
your
look for me
children
and she
them
say,
to get
"Mummy,
it."
on Sunday, you know, you can't make me ease up off of the book.
Mm-hmm.
I say, no, Lisa, when me not have, you have to have it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And you see where you start off with the rest of pitting them. Sometimes you start off as a new mother and you don't understand the whole thing.
Yeah, me
so
never have it at one point when me grow Charles and Latima, remember, you know, when me meet Lisa father, you know, certain little things start change for me, you know.
Yeah.
Growing up with Latima and Charles, I was a single mother, and I couldn't do it, but me I try it.
Right.
Me young and
It's
me I
not
try
easy,
it.
man. When you have to go through it by
The
yourself
amount
as a
of things
mother.
when me do, I wash people dirty clothes, I work in a restaurant. When me did it, I work in a one restaurant and then so me meet someone and say, come. And that man let me stop work. And he start work now, and when he get him check, him no hold him check, and me hold it.
Yeah.
Me go with him at the bank and I feel me in the panic, but when him change it, I'm and the money going now. Me pay him workers, then me do this, me do that.
But I never find no man where you do that to me.
You know, him not do nothing for himself.
Not too late, you know.
Him not do no, you don't marry and tie down yourself with one already. Wow.
I never find one man where just
And I
always
making a stone always say.
collect and give me the paycheck.
No man, Sam do that man. Sam
So
do that.
when you go to that, just work and give me all of your money.
Go to the bank and him say,
When me spend
he said,
everything.
just give me something in my pocket
And then we just give you away you forget.
no, I'm a game for true.
No.
And him say, put where you put in the
When?
account.
No.
When me are gonna
When
get
the time
that,
come.
when that time they come, we are gonna just go work and give me all of the paycheck and me manage
No,
the
when
money.
you retire.
Let me
No,
tell
when
you
you
that
retire,
now.
man, work.
Let me tell you, I feel like the older man them will do it, not the younger man them. I'm not joking, because me younger Lisa father by far.
Yeah.
So him feel to say, alright, him have to spoil me that way then.
Right.
Cause him feel to say me young,
Right,
so
right.
you know,
True, sometimes when
Yeah.
you meet
You
them,
did have other kids at the time?
true.
when you meet
Them
them
all
man
amazing.
there, when you meet
So,
them
how you
big
take
man
care of
there,
them?
where
You need
really,
money to take care of them.
No.
when you find a
Okay.
man them in a
Because
village,
no,
especially
he never
Jamaican
affect
man.
Jimmy, but in the Nico. He never affect the rough
When I say
Jimmy
especially
and her.
Jamaican.
But if them come to him and ask him, he might give them. But the little one with it in a school, and me drive him, God the mother, but give them money. Me know where my gear. Him now ask me to make him gear, you know, but him say, alright, this is for Nico, which me not have no problem. Cause I could never have a problem, you know, cause me have two way enough him and he might take care of them.
Right.
So when him a go say him a carry him on lunch money, or he call him son and say, meet where Harvard at the KFC or whatever. And him little boy come or whatever, and him say, alright, your mother this and for you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So how you and him kids them? Watching a friend Gracie. Watching a friend Gracie. Watch her. Watching a friend Gracie. Yeah? See I'm a friend here. See me I'm a friend here. Wanna see how me taller than her? Wanna see where we're there? They are Sojo. Dimes, me know say you're a Jersey, you know. And you might see that video here. You can come check out Sojo here over Fort Lee. Me and my crew. So no friend Gracie there.
Well, fine, I'm here with Dana, Max, the boss.
Everybody way I think about.
Boss.
Boss.
Yeah. Remember, say, me tell you, say,
Yeah.
me and Max are come here, I have to tell you that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, me tell you that, you know.
But not in the right side of hear you. But you see only a woman over here and him and Max are gonna come over here one day. And carry we are that him.
broke.
Yeah, them are gonna get eye broke.
Go back over here then.
Then yeah, them are gonna wait. Not too much. Boy. Yeah, man. This your water here, massage your foot button. My foot button never hurt me.
Oh, yeah,
Actually, the one we have
I put working now.
Yeah, massage the foot there. Me want to put up the phone. Oh no, watch here now. So Gracie there, right? I got along like she can't match us.
Please.
She there. I go on like she can't match us. You know, you hear me? Wanna see how Gracie does me more time? Hey! Watching a Freddie Gracie. A foodie, you know? Yeah, I want to get Gracie. We're gonna have a good time Sunday. Yeah, day. She knows Sunday. I see Maxi Priest there all over Sunday. So I want to go in a hot water. I can't manage it. Over there so well hands. We get enough hot in my body. It will make me dehydrate. No. What's my husband 6-pack?
4. Now reach a 6. I know where.
Never, when you're 6-pack there. When you're 6-pack.
Reach a 6.
You're not a 6-pack. But the husband 6-pack, yeah.
5, not 6.
I said to me, I said to Gracie, what's the Nadine there? Oh, that's so. Open nice shirt today. Yeah. Boy. Enjoy water. So now it's up here. Me and my crew. So no friend Gracie there?
Well, fairness, I'm here with Dana, Max, the boss. Boss.
Boss.
Remember, so me tell you, say,
Yeah.
me and Max are coming, I have to tell not even know. So me tell you that, you know.
But not in the right side, I hear you. But you see, all the woman over here and him and Max are going to come over here one day. And carry we are that him. Yeah, the man come get eye broke. Then yeah, they will go away. Not too much. Boy. Man, this your water here, massage your foot button, my foot button never hurt me.